here. I just got a picture of Chubby little cheeks, so cute. Get the off of me. Gentlemen, chubby cheeks are great for grandmas, but bad for studly stallions like you and I. Strong, structured, angular faces. This is what we want. Manly! I want a manly face, gentlemen, and today I'm gonna help you get a more defined face and lose those chubby cheeks once and for all. So if you're ready to finally give grandma a death punch to the throat the next time she comes running for those cheeks, gentlemen, drop me one of these to be like, yo, Alpha, I will knock her out. So the first way that you can actually have a more defined face is to lose weight. Now, I'm not gonna go into like weight loss tips or anything like that, but the fact is this, even a slight reduction in body fat, I'm talking like 5 or 10 pounds, will have a dramatic impact on the shape of your face. Oftentimes, when we gain weight, we gain it in two places, our cheeks and underneath our chin. By you reducing your body fat percentage, you are going to see a dramatic impact on the shape and the angularity of your face. The second tip to have a more angular and defined face is reduce the amount of water that you are actually retaining. Have you ever noticed the next morning after eating like a really salty meal, your face is a little bit more swollen, the bags under your eyes a little more pronounced? The reason is because your face is actually retaining water from all the sodium that you ate the day before. So how are you going to reduce the amount of water that you retain in your face? Well, there are a few different ways, a few different tricks. Number one is make sure that you are drinking enough water, all right? I would say shoot for a gallon of water a day. And the second tip to cut down on the amount of water you are retaining in your face is cut down on the crap that you're eating. If you're eating a diet that is high in sodium or processed foods, this is going to definitely impact the amount of water you retain in your face. The other pro tip I will give you is reduce the amount of carbohydrates you're eating. For me, what I've noticed is when I reduce the amount of carbohydrates I'm consuming, my face looks better. I retain less water. My cheekbone's higher, my cheeks aren't so puffy, and my jaw looks better. The third tip to have a more chiseled and angular face, gentlemen, is to work out. Not your body, your face. So now what I'm gonna do is show you 3 exercises that you can do in order to strengthen the muscles in your face. This first exercise is all about slimming your face. What you're going to do is suck your cheeks in as much as possible, tilt your head all the way back and push your chin forward. Hold for 5 seconds. Complete 10 to 15 reps. The second exercise is all about strengthening that jawline. What you're going to do is tilt your head back until you're looking at the ceiling. Move your lower lip over your upper lip as far as you can. You should feel this in your jaw muscles near your ears. Hold for 10 seconds. Do 10 to 15 reps. And this last exercise is all about reducing your laugh lines. All right, close your mouth and puff up your cheeks. Move the air from one cheek to the other cheek. Repeat this for 30 seconds. It is crazy how fatigued your face will get after doing like one set of those. Guys, give it a try. The truth is that if we do not utilize our facial muscles and strengthen them, they get soft, they get saggy. And if they're strong and toned, they will look better in your face, more chiseled. The first 3 tips will change the physical structure of your face, all right? The next tips are kind of hacks or tricks that I've learned over the years that will give the illusion that your face is more defined and angular. The 4th tip is wear Henleys or V-necks. It's all about rocking V-necks or Henleys. It's all about that angle, right? If you're wearing something like this, right, it comes down to a point. This is giving the illusion that your face is more angular, as opposed to right here, right? A crew neck, this is going to make your face appear round. Boom, right? It's all about that angle. It's about drawing the eye down. The 5th tip is all about your hairstyle. If you have a more structured or angular hairstyle, tighter on the sides, a little bit longer, more length on the top, this is going to give the illusion that your face is more angular or defined. So the takeaway is, if you have a super short hairstyle, let it grow. Tight on the sides, little more length on top. Or if you shave it, let it grow. Tight on sides, length on top. If you're bald or losing your hair, go see Bosley, today's video sponsor, and the hair doctors. The fact is, hair loss is a bitch. It sucks, it is a confidence killer, and it's gonna happen to most of us at some point in our life. But the worst thing you can do, gentlemen, is nothing. Just stick your receding head in the sand and be like, oh, it's Mother Nature. My dad's bald. My weird Uncle Barry's lost his hair. Gentlemen, you gotta stop. You gotta hit that link down below and go download the completely free guide to hair loss and hair restoration. That guide is completely free, and in my opinion, whether or not you lost your hair, you're losing it, you're worried about losing it, or you're thinking that at some point in your life you may actually lose it, you have got to go and grab that free guide. That guide is going to talk about hair loss, what to look for, what the signs are, some treatment options. Guys, it is a must read, and it's completely free. You're also going to get a $250 free Bosley gift card that you can use when you actually decide to go in, sit down with a Bosley counselor, and get treatment. Guys, you can use that gift card there at Bosley. Bosley has a solution for you at any stage of hair loss. Whether or not you're losing it, you've already lost some of it, you're completely bald, Bosley can help. And when I say they've got a solution for anybody at any stage, recently I had them send me this, which is a low-level laser therapy cap. It's been FDA cleared and proven effective in slowing the rate of thinning. And the way that it works, every other day, you rock that bad boy for 30 minutes, gentlemen. It is ridiculous. Hit that link down below and go download the free guide to hair loss and hair restoration. You've got nothing to lose other than more hair. Do you think these handsome-ass gentlemen are happy they went to Bosley? I mean, seriously, look at their faces, right? These dudes are super pumped. They are loving their new hair. They feel great about themselves and they look amazing. The sixth trick to have a more angular looking face is all about your sideburns. Guys, sideburns not only help finish a hairstyle, they have the ability to make your face look longer and more defined. Instead of cutting your sideburns off up here at the top of your ear, what I want you to do is actually let it grow down a little bit. I would say middle of that little nub thing or right below. And then instead of going straight across, I want you to angle them slightly. All right, it's all about following the line and contour of your jaw. Let your sideburns grow longer and angle them to follow your jawline. It's a quick, easy way for you to have a more defined looking face. The seventh tip is all about facial hair. Now, I'm not going to go into crazy detail because I have like 2,700 videos on beards and facial hair, but the truth is, beards are an incredible way to add strength, lots of strength to your jaw. Now, you got to be careful when you let it grow like too big and bushy. You got to make sure that it's still maintained. But if you are going to rock a beard, the one thing you should never do that actually counteracts the beard's ability to make you look handsome and studly is shave it up too high under your neck. It'll actually make your face look fatter. The easiest trick, head straight in the mirror, take your finger, boom, shave everything below, leave everything above in order to have the strongest jaw possible. The eighth tip is all about posture. Not only your head posture, but the way that you stand. Guys, if you stand the way that you're supposed to, and like I've taught you 100 times, right? Chest up, shoulders back, head up, all right? If you drop it, right, and get all in here, exactly, look what happens. Your face looks rounder, your double chin more doubly. Hey, I look good. No, you don't look good. Up and out. The ninth tip is all about those brows, gentlemen. It's all about having clean eyebrows. Now, do not confuse clean with like super thin and chick-like. There are three important parts to a symmetrical eyebrow, all right? The deal is this. There's a start, there's a stop, and then there's the point at which there may be a slight little arch, all right? Now, I'm not saying like arch, but there is a natural arch that most eyebrows have. To find it, grab something straight, boom, side of the nose, all right? This is the start of your eyebrow. To find the end, put it on your nose, right? Corner of your eye. That is the end. And then to find the arch, take that comb, put it on the center of your nose, and then run it up through the center of your eye, right? This is where the arch should go. And then all you do with tweezers, clean up top, underneath. Never touch the hairs above your eyebrows. I call them supporting hairs, right? When you start to mess around with these, that's when your eyebrows start to look unnatural and chick-like. And the last tip to have a more angular and defined looking face and less chubby cheeks is wear black. It is a scientific alpha M fact that when you wear black and you wear a Henley or a V-neck, it makes your face look angular as f. Do you think this is an accident, gentlemen? Do you think the facial hair, the high hair, the V, the Henley, you think that's by accident, gentlemen? It is systematic, it is scientific, it has been learned over years of the evolution of the alpha male. And that is why I'm here today to tell you it works. If I didn't, are you kidding me? This face? Hideous! I'm telling you, gentlemen, it would not be a pretty sight. Hit that link, drop one of these, and remember, gentlemen, you are amazing, super sexy, and now your face angular and defined.